Elara and the frozen clockwork. Morning light spills through stained glass as Elara tends the great clock. She scatters stardust. Distant cities stir awake in her imagination. Elara adjusts the hands of Aethern, keeper of all moments. A shudder, then silence. The tower's heartbeat falters and fails. She discovers a cracked heart gear, leaking whispering shadow. Time has grown weary. The fog murmurs as Elara steadies herself. She steps into the realm of stillness through the crystal door. Milo, the pocket watch, greets her, searching for his ticking heart. The hourglass sisters reveal a glowing fragment of a lost second. Elara enters the chamber, where broken clocks drift like stars. The shadow of the Clockmaker tests her with a memory she feared. She accepts the broken moment. The heart gear begins to glow,